Hey everyone, the highly anticipated Red Magic Nova gaming tablet is set to debut globally on September 27, 2024. With a strong foundation already established by the recently launched Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro in China, the Nova is shaping up to be a fierce competitor in the mobile gaming market. While details of the Nova are still being teased, early hints suggest it will share several key features with the Gaming Tablet Pro, offering a potent combination of high performance and striking appearance. While exact specifications are still under wraps, the Red Magic Nova gaming tablet is expected to bear a resemblance to the Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro. The Pro model boasts a 10.9-inch 2.8K LCD display, with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering a crisp and fluid visual experience. It's safe to assume the Nova will feature similar display technology, ensuring that gamers enjoy smooth gameplay and vivid graphics. The Pro's impressive performance is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version CPU, a powerhouse chipset that has already proven its capabilities with an AnTuTu score of 2.35 million points. With up to 24 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage available, it can handle the most demanding games and applications. If the Nova mirrors these specs, it will provide a performance boost over last year's model, making it one of the fastest gaming tablets on the market. Red Magic is known for incorporating innovative cooling solutions into its devices, and the Nova gaming tablet is expected to feature the Magic Cooling Ice 2.0 system, just like the Pro. This cooling system, which reduces core temperatures by 25 degrees centigrade during extended gaming sessions, is essential for maintaining performance. The Pro version's cooling mechanism includes a high-speed fan, a 3D air duct, and heat-dissipating materials, all working together to prevent thermal throttling. On the appearance front, the Nova is likely to follow in the Pro's footsteps, with its sleek and futuristic look. The Pro model sports a transparent glass panel made of lens-grade aluminosilicate glass, along with customizable RGB lighting, adding a level of visual flair that appeals to gamers. If the Nova adopts similar appearance choices, it will combine durability with a visually striking aesthetic. The Red Magic Nova gaming tablet is also expected to deliver an immersive multimedia experience, similar to the Pro model. The Pro features a dual X-axis motor, 4-channel speakers, and support for DTS Ultra, enhancing the gaming experience with rich sound and precise haptic feedback. With 3 microphones and dual 50-megapixels cameras front and rear, the Pro sets a high bar for camera performance on a gaming tablet, something the Nova is likely to match. The Red Magic Nova will follow in the footsteps of the first-generation Red Magic Gaming Tablet, which was launched in 2023. That model featured a 12.1-inch IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 1600 by 2560 resolution. While it provided a solid gaming experience, the move to a 10.9-inch 2.8K LCD screen in the Pro and likely in the Nova signals a shift towards sharper visuals and even better color accuracy. Performance-wise, the first-generation tablet used a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, paired with up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. In contrast, the Nova is expected to include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version processor, significantly improving processing power, speed, and energy efficiency. The leap from UFS 3.1 to UFS 4.0 storage is another notable upgrade, allowing faster read-to-write speeds, crucial for large gaming files and quick load times. The cooling system in the first-gen model was functional, but lacked the advanced features of the Pro's Magic Cooling Ice 2.0 technology. The enhanced cooling in the Nova will provide better thermal management, a key factor for maintaining consistent high performance during long gaming sessions. In terms of audio, the first-generation tablet featured stereo speakers and Snapdragon sound technology, but the Pro's 4-channel speaker system and improved haptics are expected to be carried over to the Nova, further enhancing the gaming experience. Battery capacity and charging speeds are important factors for mobile gaming, and the Nova is expected to build on the first-generation tablet's already impressive specs. The first-gen model had a 10,000 mAh battery, with 80-watt wired charging, allowing it to reach 50% charge in just 24 minutes. The Pro took this even further with a 10,100 mAh battery and 120-watt fast charging, a feature that will likely be present in the Nova as well. This ensures that gamers can keep playing without long downtime for charging. The Red Magic Nova gaming tablet is shaping up to be a solid contender in the global gaming tablet market. With its anticipated high-end performance, advanced cooling, sharp display, and immersive audio features, it's set to be a strong successor to the previous generation Red Magic gaming tablet. While we await full details on its specs, the global debut on September 27, 2024, will likely reveal a gaming tablet that builds upon the best features of its predecessor, offering significant upgrades for gamers worldwide. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.